Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Ollie Ace, and I'm a Builderall affiliate. So I'm dropping this quick video because I've had so many people ask me, Ollie, how do you ensure that when you have someone join Builderall that they don't drop out a week or 2 or 3 weeks later? How do you make sure that you give yourself the best chance that they will stay plugged into the platform month in, month out? Because at the end of the day, that's, as an affiliate, that's where you're getting paid, right? You want that passive residual income, and the only way you can get that is if your active accounts, your affiliates, stay plugged in. So, that's a common problem, right? That, you have a person joining up, signing up to Builderall, and then, you have them drop off a week or 2 after. How do you prevent that from happening? And the simple truth is that it's all about managing expectations. That's the most important thing, okay? The people that you get signed up onto Builderall, you need to think about what sort of profile do they fit? What is their intention in terms of using the platform? Are they going to use the platform, or are they just simply using it for the affiliate program? You need to establish why they're plugging into Builderall in the first place. Okay, so it's really dependent on managing those expectations. Now, of course, there are different ways of promoting Builderall. There's promoting it from a user standpoint, so promoting it to those people that intend to use the platform, or you can promote the platform as an affiliate, so you're just basically promoting it as an affiliate program. Me personally, I do a mixture of the two. I don't just promote the affiliate program. Okay, what I do and what I stand by is that it's important, particularly with this model. Remember, the Builderall platform, the affiliate program, sits on a membership-based model. So you have to work in the value of Builderall. You have to. So the way that I do it, and the way that I give myself the best chance of ensuring that my affiliates stay plugged into Builderall and don't drop off a week or 2 later, because that's no good to no one, right? Is that I profile the people that I speak to. I profile the people that I promote to. I ensure that I work in the value of Builderall. Once they see the value of Builderall, then I would work in the affiliate program as a bonus. Okay, so I don't lead with the affiliate program. And I don't really advise doing that, to be honest, because you don't get sustainability. All right? And it's all about ensuring you get the right people. You basically promote the platform to the right niche, as I mentioned in my last video. So that is my top tip. If you want to give yourself the best chance of building a strong team, to build a sustainable team where your affiliates will stay plugged into the Builderall platform month by month, you simply just have to ensure that you profile and you're selective about the people that you are promoting the Builderall platform to, for the reasons that I've just mentioned. Okay, so I hope that was insightful. I hope you got value out of that, and I look forward to checking you out on my next video. This is your boy Ollie Ace. Stay lit, and I'll check you out soon.